Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens. In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method rfind. In Python, the rfind method returns the highest index in a specified string where the substring is found, such that the substring is contained within the string, and there are two optional parameters, start and end, which are interpreted as a slice notation. If the specified value is not found, the method will return -1. And the syntax here for the method is a string underscore object followed by .rfind and then three parameters, sub, start, and end. So sub is a required parameter, which is the substring to be found. And the two optional parameters are start and end for the index positions to be searched for in the string. The string that we'll work with here is the goal is to turn data into information and information into insight for the variable data underscore quote. And we'll return this here as output. So this is a string that we're working with. So we'll start up with finding a substring. So here we'll find the substring for the word information. So check for the word information, and we'll create a variable find underscore information underscore idx, which equals to data underscore quote dot rfind for the word information. And so this will return the highest index for the last occurrence, or highest starting index for the last occurrence. And we'll print the results. So print the highest index for the word information in the string is, and then we'll return the variable here. So find underscore information underscore idx, and we can see here that this is 46, right? So for the last occurrence of the word information, it starts at an index position of 46. So the word information starts at index position 46 and count from 0. We can also check the highest index for a word which does not exist in the string. So we'll check for the word Java. We'll create a variable Java underscore idx, which equals to data underscore quote dot rfind Java, and we can print the highest index for the word Java in the string is, and return the result. So Java underscore idx, and we can see here that this is -1. So as the word Java is not in the string, the method returns -1 as output. And we can also check here for any characters, any special characters like punctuation. So we can check highest index for the full stop. So we'll create a variable full stop underscore idx, which equals to data underscore quote dot rfind for the full stop. And then we'll print the highest index for the full stop in the string is full stop underscore idx. And we can see here that this is 70, right? So the full stop is at index position 70 from a count of 0. And because there is only one full stop, an alternative is to get the length of the string and then -1. So length of data underscore quote -1. And we can see that this returns the same result. So alternative, as there is only one full stop. And we can now also have a look at using the start parameter for rfind. So we will specify starting parameter for the string to be searched for the word goal. we'll create a variable called goal underscore IDX. So goal underscore IDX here, and then we'll find the word goal starting at a index of 30. So data underscore quote dot rfind goal starting at 30, and we'll print the highest index for the word goal in the string is, and we'll return the result here. So goal underscore IDX. And so this search space exclude the goal is to return the string actually starts from information end. As we'll see the result here, because it excludes this particular portion, the first portion of the string. So the goal is to turn data into, then this here returns -1. So it can't actually find the word goal. So return -1 as starting from 30 excludes the word goal. And now within the same search space, we can search for the word insight. So insight underscore IDX, and we can find, so data underscore quote dot rfind insight 30. We can print the highest index for the word insight in the string is insight underscore IDX. And we can see here that this returns 63. So within the same starting parameter, because the word insight is within the search space, it does return the index. So this returns 63 and not 43, right? Because even with the start parameter, the count is from the full string. And so we can now also have a look at all parameters, so including the end parameter. So we'll specify sub, start, and end parameters to search for the word data. We'll create a variable data underscore IDX, which equals to data underscore quote dot rfind, and we'll search for the word data starting from 15 and ending at index position of 24. So this is actually sliced to turn data, this portion of the string. And from there, we'll print the result. So print the highest index for the word data in the string is data underscore IDX. And we can see here, this is 20, right? This method for rfind is also case sensitive. So if we try to search for an uppercase information, this will return a -1. So we'll create a variable upper underscore info underscore IDX equals to data underscore quote dot rfind for uppercase information from index 46 to 69. And we can print the highest index for the uppercase word information in the string is upper underscore info underscore IDX. And we can see here that this is -1. Right, so return -1 as it is in uppercase. And in the string, both occurrences of information are in lowercase. And so this is different using start and end parameter from actually slicing a string. So create a variable here, data underscore substring equals to data underscore quote from 15 to 24. And if we just print the substring here, so data underscore substring. We can see here that this is turn data substring. So if we now print the highest index for the word data in the string is, and print data underscore substring dot rfind data, this now returns 5, right? Which is different from the occurrence earlier, which was 20, right? So the 20 was counting from the very beginning of the string. This is now counting from the start of this new substring, which is starting from turn, right? So that's returns a index of 5, as the new string has less characters. And so this is how to use the rfind method in Python to search for the highest index for a specified substring, and also using start and end as well as subparameters. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.